Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well. If not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU presents a box. Fragile. It must be Italian. No. Couldn't help it. For those of you that get it, comment down below if you remember what movie that's from. If you're as old as I am. Maybe not. I mean, there's some younger kids that know that movie. I play that movie every year during Christmas. So it said, please handle with care. It's fragile. And I'm like, well, what did I order? I don't think I ordered anything. And I may have. I don't know. But well, let's see what's inside. I already ripped it open. And lots of plastic. There is a lot. They packaged this well. This is what you see when you open a box. It's Halo Top collaborated with Colourpop. Halo Top being one of my favorite ice creams. I love Halo Top. I love their non-dairy version of Halo Top. It can range from 280 calories, 270 calories to about 380 calories per pint, and lots of protein. You have your good and your bad, you know what I mean? Like, people say it's not good for you, some people say it is. I love it. I love their coconut, I love the chocolate ones, but like I said, I eat the non-dairy ones, and you can find them at Walmart. I think, yeah, Walmart. And now they have the pops too. Well, enough about ice cream, because I might just have to go to Walmart and get me some. We have 2 pieces of paper. We have the bill. So if anybody would like to donate to my channel to help with that bill, my links are down below. Anyway, don't mind me. So we got a nice little postcard. This is Colourpop. And then the other says, a resting beach face. Yes, resting beach face. Is this my resting beach face? I don't know. But anyway, you know, for them packaging it as well as they did, it still feels kind of flimsy. So I'll link the information down below. I don't remember what I paid for this, and this is the only thing I bought. I'm on a no-buy, and I've already broken my no-buy twice this month, but it is what it is. So Halo Top Creamery collaboration with Colourpop. This is the PR package, and let's get started. I don't want to rip it. Why? Because I'm a dork. Wait, how do you open this? Because I'm an idiot and I will rip it. So let me know in the comment section down below, did you like their little, did you get this? Did you not get this? Did you, because they sold them individually, each one, or they sold them in a PR kit like this one, and it says Halo Top. Happy National Ice Cream Month. The sweetest way to celebrate is with our 4 new limited edition Super Shock bundles created by Halo Top. So that's, I want these to pop out. So that's what it looks like. That's where, these are all the shades, and then that is the other side. I love the packaging. I really do. This is really, really nice. It would have been nice if they would have sponsored me. It would have been nice if I would have got a PR kit. Wouldn't we all, right? And they would have had like Halo Top ice cream with the Halo Top, you know, bundles. Okay, enough of that. I only have like 2 Super Shocks, or 3. I don't have many of these. I just buy those single pans. Okay, anyway, let me stop talking. So in this one, it's the Rainbow Swirl. That's the little packaging there. And then that's the back. And this says Creamsicle and Sherbet Day. Wow, those are like, that's fancy. Now, let me see. I'll leave a top on here. I'll open it from the bottom. Of course, I don't want to pop my nails off. Let me see. Oh, can't pull it from the bottom. Dork. I'm such an idiot. It doesn't fit from the bottom. Okay. Oh, these are pretty. Okay, so those 2 colors. Let's pop these out. So this is, one of them has a sticker and one of them doesn't. So this one says Creamsicle and this one says nothing. So I don't know if that's the way they're supposed to be. I doubt it. Somebody didn't do what they're, you have one job, and that one job was to put a sticker on it. It was probably the machine. The quality control. So let's open up Creamsicle. Swatch. Ooh. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at that. Can you see that? It's like pink with shimmer. Oh, and it's so soft. Let's swatch that here. It kind of reminds me of Jeffree Star highlighter that I opened the other day. We can barely see it. Well, I am using my finger, and I think you're supposed to like use some setting spray or something. But that's the color there. I don't know if you can see that. That's Creamsicle. There you go. I'm trying to look at my monitor. And the next one is this blank, but I guess Creamsicle. This is Sure Birthday. What? Super Shock Pigment Duo. This is weird. So see, Sure Birthday's in green, and Creamsicle's like, Creamsicle looks like it's this color, and Sure Birthday's green, and this is like, I don't know. We'll see as we're going along if this is the name of this one. Ooh, ooh, this is like real nice. Look at that. You have like bits of dark pink and light pink and maybe an orange in there or a coral. I hope it's showing up on camera nicely. So let's swatch. Oh, you know what it is? I'm too scared to stick my finger in there like a lot. Okay, all right, this is pretty. I'm gonna play with these. I want to see what they look like when you so those are the two colors that are in this one here, in the Rainbow Swirl. So put these in here back. Like I said, this one doesn't have a sticker, so I don't know what's happening. But of course, I'm like that. Don't mind me. I'm like that all the time. Never know what the hell's happening, but it is what it is. Okay, so that's a Rainbow Swirl. Maybe they just wanted to match the pinks and the green. I don't know. Let's see. The next one is a birthday cake. There you go. This one's a good ice cream too, by Halo Top. It's so delicious. I love the packaging. So it says by the pound and extra sprinkles on the back. Now let's see what's inside. I like that it just comes off the little you just pull it right up. And my dumbass was trying to pull it from the bottom. Well, duh, this is bigger than this. It's not gonna come out from the bottom. Duh. Okay. Oh no. Okay, so I thought that those would be the colors that are in birthday cake. So you would think they would be. I don't know, what is this? Super Shock. Okay, so this one is by the pound. And this one is extra sprinkles. So let's open up. So that's the packaging. And then let's open. I thought those were the colors that were going to be in here. Oh, this one has like orange and yellow and coral and peach. I hope you can see that. See that? Now let's swatch it. I don't know. Is this a limited edition release? I don't care. I'll open it anyway. These are so pretty. And the good thing is you can use them as highlighters as well. Oh, you can make really... Summer's almost over, man. Like, really. Yeah, I don't know. These would have been really pretty at the beginning of summer because that is the color right there. I don't know. Can you see that? It's my dark hand. Let me swatch it on my other hand. I got a bunch of sun on this hand, my trucker hand. These are super soft, like for real. And then I'm not left-handed, so my swatches will be wonky. I don't know. Can you see that? I hope you can see that. It's just that my monitor, I don't get to see it really nice on the monitor. So anyways, that's by the pound. I was hoping this one would be in there. Like, how cool would those have been? I have those in there, you know? And this one is extra sprinkles. This just looks like a gold color. I'm kind of disappointed in this one. But let's see. Let's see swatched. Oh, it's nice and... Oh, okay. That's extra sprinkles right here. So those are 4 colors so far. I don't know. I mean, I looked at them online very quickly, but you can always use this as a highlighter. You can use it for in your brow. By your brow, not in your brow. Under your brow bone. You know what I mean. The next one is Shrub. Now I'll do strawberry last. Let's do mint chip. I love mint chocolate chip. Love it. Okay, let's see. But I like Briars. Ooh, I shouldn't have said that right. I'm trying to get sponsored. Okay, so this one says mint chip, semi-sweet and tassel. So that's the front of the box. And then that's the back of the box. Again, pull this up. And that says Halo Top and Colourpop on there. They get me with packaging all the time. I'm such a dork. Oh, see, this kind of looks like it should be in here. So this is mint chip. Oh my God, I keep rubbing on my chair and it sounds like I'm farting. I'm not farting. Okay, so let's start with tassel, because tassel just looks like it's white. Oh, and it looks scratched. See the halo top right on there? It's kind of scratched off. It looks like a ghost, but it's supposed to be ice cream scoop. Yeah, that's white. I don't even know. Should I swatch it? It just looks like something I already have. I'll swatch it. What the hell? Why not? Yeah. Oh, I'm so bad with my left hand. Yeah, there you go. That's... What did I say that was? Tassel. So that's the white one right there for tassel. Which is just a regular white, like, highlighter. This one's cute. This green one. The mint. No, what's the name of this one? Semi-sweet. Semi-sweet, like... Ooh, this is real nice. Semi-sweet, like the chips. That's actually nice because it's got like 2 different colors in there. Internet. This one's the green one. That one's the green one right there. I gotta play with these on my eyes because these all just look like highlighters. I thought they were gonna be more pigmented. That's what I get for not looking at the advertisement. I was like, oh my God, a PR package, I'm gonna buy it. And I didn't pay a lot for it. It wasn't very expensive. I don't think so. And I always figured I'll sell it. If I don't keep it, I'll just sell it online. Even if I swatched it. Just put on there. I've swatched it. My hands are clean. I didn't pick my butt. So then strawberry is the last one. And jam out and berry sweet. And now you can buy these individually. Like you could just buy this individually. So if you like the one that, if there's one that you really like, you could pick that one up. You don't have to buy all of these. I just bought it because I was like, oh, PR kit. Oh, look at it. Because I told you I'm an idiot. Okay, so then this is strawberry and it comes with the red one. And these are even red. So this one is called Jam Out. And this one is called Berry Sweet. So we'll do Berry Sweet first. Berry Sweet. So Berry Sweet is just a pink color. It's kind of nice. It has like a dual. It has like a gold and a pink in there. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, these are all just highlighters. Well, you know, that's it right there. What did I say this was? Berry Sweet. And then these are red, so that's different. And the next one, the last one is Jam Out. Jam Out, like, because it's strawberry jelly. Strawberry jam. So I think that's like the theme. They have like these different colors inside. So that's Jam Out, and it's like it has the light pink in there and then the darker pink in there. And let's swatch this last. Ooh, it makes a pretty shade. Makes a really pretty shade. Oh, that is pretty. That's Jam Out right there, that red one. So these are all the colors. They're actually not that bad, but I don't know if I will use all of them. I might use a lot of them for highlighters. Like that, I don't have to carry a big old highlighting palette. I could just use this one. So those are all the colors that are in the Strawberry, in the Halo Top collaboration with, what is it called? Halo Top and Colourpop. My bad. Oops. And that's how it comes in here. So let's just recap. I wish they would have matched what was on the back, like the little swatches back here, because that blue and that dark pink, that would have been really nice to see. So let's recap. So we have the strawberry, we have the mint chip, and then I'll put pictures on Instagram so you can see the difference. Birthday cake. See, I would have loved to see these two colors in there for birthday cake. Wouldn't that have been really nice? Instead we got these light colored shades, like really extra sprinkles, and they look like that. So whatever, but those two colors are nice. I think those two colors are like another palette that's coming out. But then again, Halo Top came up with these, I believe, right? They're the ones that decided to pick the colors. And then the last one was Rainbow Swirl. So like I said, I'll take pictures of all the individual, and those were all the swatches again. I'll take pictures of the individual ones, and so it's nice little. You can tell Halo Top should stay in the business of making ice cream, not eyeshadows or pigments or whatever these are called. But that's it. That's all I have for you. So I'll link everything down below if you want that information. I'll have my PayPal down there, my Venmo, and my Cash App. If you like to donate to my channel, you don't have to, but it's much appreciated. Anyway, that is all that I have for you today. My look today is Dominique Cosmetics. Where is the palette? I forget the name of the palette. Berries and Cream. So I have in my eyes Berries and Cream palette. Yes, I'm gonna talk about, since I'm not sponsored and they didn't give me no money, I'll talk about another palette in here, and then those are the colors. So that's what I have on my eyeballs today, and on my lips I have a Smashbox color. So that's it. So thank you for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you on the next one. Hasta Laterz.